Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever get to the checkout line at the supermarket, watch the total climb higher and higher, and just feel your wallet cry a little? I know I've been there. It feels like every week, the prices go up, but our budgets don't. It can be super frustrating, right? You're just trying to buy food for yourself and your family, and it ends up being one of your biggest monthly expenses. But what if I told you that you could slash your grocery bill by 20, 30, or even 50% without switching to a diet of instant noodles? It's not magic, it's just being smart. Today, I am going to share the ultimate guide, the secret strategies I personally use to save hundreds of dollars every single month. These aren't just your basic use a coupon tips, we're going deep. So, if you're ready to stop overspending and start saving big, you're in the right place. Grab a notepad, because you're going to want to write these down. First things first, let's talk about the biggest mistake most people make: shopping without a plan. Walking into a grocery store without a list is like going on a road trip without a map. You'll end up lost, probably in the snack aisle, buying things you don't need. The solution is simple: meal planning. Before you even think about leaving the house, sit down for 15 minutes and plan your meals for the week. What's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Once you have your meals planned, create a detailed grocery list based only on the ingredients you need for those meals. This one step will stop you from making impulse buys. And here's a pro tip: plan your meals around what's on sale. Check your local grocery store's weekly flyer online before you plan. If chicken breast is on sale, plan a couple of chicken dishes. If broccoli is cheap, make that your go-to vegetable for the week. This strategy alone can cut your bill significantly because you're letting the sales dictate your menu, not your random cravings. Now that you have your master plan, let's talk about where you shop. Most of us have a favorite grocery store we go to out of habit. But is it actually the cheapest? I challenge you to break your routine. Spend one weekend doing a little price comparison. You might find that one store has the best prices on produce, another has better deals on meat, and a discount store is your best bet for pantry staples like rice, pasta, and canned goods. I know, it sounds like a lot of work to visit multiple stores, but you don't have to do it every week. You can do a big stock-up trip for non-perishables at the discount store once a month, and then let's visit your regular supermarket for fresh items. Also, don't forget about farmers markets or local co-ops. They often have incredibly fresh, seasonal produce for a fraction of the price you'd pay at a big chain store, plus you get to support local growers. Alright, let's get into some ninja-level tricks for when you're actually in the store. First, never, and I mean never shop when you're hungry. Everything will look delicious, and you'll end up with a cart full of expensive snacks you don't need. Have a small meal or a snack before you go. Second, look up and look down. Stores strategically place the most expensive, brand name items at eye level because that's where you're most likely to look. The cheaper store brands or generic versions are often on the top or bottom shelves. 9 times out of 10, the store brand is made in the same factory as the name brand, and the only real difference is the packaging and the price. Give them a try. You might be surprised to find you can't even tell the difference. And while we're on the subject of brands, be wary of fancy packaging. That beautiful box with vibrant colors, you're paying for that marketing. The simple, no-frills bag next to it often has the exact same product inside for less. My final, and perhaps most powerful, strategy is to tackle food waste. Did you know that the average family throws away a huge percentage of the food they buy? That's literally throwing money in the trash. The key here is to shop your kitchen first. Before you make your meal plan and grocery list, take a full inventory of your fridge, freezer, and pantry. What do you already have that needs to be used up? That half-empty jar of pasta sauce, the lonely vegetables in the crisper drawer, The frozen chicken in the back of the freezer. Build your next few meals around using those items up first. This prevents food from expiring and forces you to get creative. That slightly wilted celery and those carrots can be the base for a delicious soup. That leftover rice can be turned into amazing fried rice. Learning to use everything you buy is the ultimate way to respect your food and your budget. It's a complete game changer. So there you have it, my top strategies for saving a ton of money on groceries. It all comes down to being intentional, planning your meals, being strategic about where you shop, being a savvy shopper in the aisles, and reducing food waste. It might feel like a little extra effort at first, but once you get into the habit, it becomes second nature. And when you see how much extra money you have in your bank account at the end of the month, I promise you, it will be totally worth it. What are some of your favorite ways to save on groceries? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future money-saving videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.